Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another problem, but before going forward, if you have not liked the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So problem is gas station. There are n gas stations along a circular route where the amount of gas at the ith station is gas I. You have a car with unlimited gas tank and it cost of I of gas to travel from ith station to I plus 1. So from ith to I plus 1, cost I gas is used. You begin journey with empty tank. Given two arrays, return the starting index or starting gas station index from where you can travel around the circuit once in the clockwise direction. If you cannot travel, you have to return -1. There is guaranteed, if solution exists, then there will be only a unique solution. That means there will be only one path. Let's see what the problem is. So two arrays will be given gas and cost. See, over here, if you see, we have to, what we have to do is we have to start from any gas station. So these are gas stations. Let's do the indexing. So these are gas stations. We have to start from any gas station. Suppose I start from this gas station. I have to go in clockwise direction. That is this direction. From this, obviously, this is a circular. So I'll go here and like this. I have to come back to this station from where I started. If I am able to come back to the station from where I started, then that station index will be the answer. So 2 will be answer if I can start from 2 and I can reach to 2 again. Otherwise, if it's not possible, then we'll return -1. So this is the problem. Now let's start let's see how 3 is coming. See, we'll start from station 3. That means this over here. We will have a variable, let's say current fuel. That how much current fuel we have. So what will be the current fuel? We are starting from this station, so this car will be filled up with this fuel, and in order to go to the next station it will have to use this cost. So it was written in the question that cost of I is the gas need to travel from ith to I plus 1. So if you are at this ith to I plus 1, you need to go, you have to use this. So 4 minus 1, this will be used. This much will be used, and when you come here 5 will be again added. So this will come out to be 8. Let's see over here like this. So this will be, let's say what we are doing is for every station we are calculating now how much is left. So 4 is filled and 1 is used to come here. So this will be your left one. So when you reach here, 5 will be again added to this, but in order to go to the next station, which is this 0th station, you need to use 2. So this will be minus. This will be 5 plus 3, 8 minus 6. Then you come here. This 1 will be again filled in your car, and 3 will be used to go to the next station. So minus 3. This will be 6 plus 1, 7, 7 minus 4. Now you come here, 4 plus 2 will be 6, but minus 4 because you have to go to the next station. So this will come out to be 2. Then you come here, then 2 plus 3, we will fill the tank, and 2 plus 3, 5 will be there, and in order to go to the next station, we will use this 5 and we'll go to the next station. So 5 minus 5, 0, and we reaches this station again. We reach this station now, and here from here only we started. So this 3 station is our answer. If you if we start from this, let's say we start from station 1, so from station 0. So from station 0, 1 will be filled in your current fuel will be current fuel will be 1, and in order to go to the next station 3 will be used. So this will be -2. Means you only have 1 in your gas in your tank and 3 you need. So obviously this is not possible now. You only have 1. But in order to move you need to have 3. So when this will become minus current fuel means that is not possible. That we cannot start from that station. From that station. Right. So this is one case. This is one case. Now let's see how we'll approach the problem. So this is 4. First thing is that if this total gas which is given to us, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and this cost which is given 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2, this means this is what we need to make a full circle, and this is what we have. Now if what we have is less than what we need, then it will be not possible to go from one, make a whole circular, like from start from here and go till here. So you have to make a circular, we have to go to circular route. So if what we have is less than what we need, this is cost, means from like in order to go from each station to from one station to other station, this cost we require, and this much fuel we require, and this is the fuel which we can have. So over here if you see 1 plus 2 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 this will be 15, and over here this will be 8 plus 7, this will be also 15. So these are equal, hence it's possible to go to make a circular route. But let's say over here if it was 13, then we require 15 fuel, but only 13 fuel is there, then this will not be possible. So this is one condition. We will check initially if the sum of this gas is less than, like if sum of gas is less than sum of cost, then return -1. This is one condition. Now what we will do is we will start the traversal. See, one basic approach, brute force approach, is that we every time we start from this station, and we check whether it's possible to go from this station and come to this station or not. So this is brute force approach. Like we check for every index. Like if we are able to, if we start from one index, can we reach back to it or not? Like that. So this will be n square approach if we do that. But the n square approach will not be get accepted over here. If you see 10 raised to power 5 is the constraint. N is 10 raised to power 5. So obviously n square will not work. So you have to think of n. So see how we'll do that. See, anytime we saw earlier, right? We saw earlier for 1, when we started from this 0th index, 0th station, we saw that current fuel became in negative. So when current fuel became negative, it means that we cannot go further, and means the position from where we started was wrong station. That is not our answer. Right. So now see, earlier we checked now that if sum of gas is less than sum of cost, then we'll return -1. If this is not the case, means it's greater than or equal to, then it means that there will be an answer. So we have to find that. How we'll do that? We will have a current fuel variable, as we saw earlier, current fuel. So we'll start from here. We will add gas, but gas of I will be added, but cost will be subtracted, because cost is to go to the next station, so it will be subtracted. So 1 minus 3. Now minus 2, it becomes negative, means we cannot start from this station. We will have a variable start. Initially we'll give 0. We cannot start from this station, so we will assume that we'll start from the next station. Let's say I plus 1. So we will assign start to I plus 1. So we will start from, let's say we start from one station, and we will also make current fuel as 0 again, because we are again starting from this one station, because it's not possible from 0. So we start from one station, right? And we start from one station, and what we do is we add 2, because this we are filling the tank, but we have to spend 4. So this is again negative, means we cannot start from this. So let's assume we can start from the x index, and current fuel will become 0. Let's again initialize it to 0. Right. Then we come here. I will come here. Gas I will be added. So this will become 3. But cost will be subtracted. Minus over here it was 2. Over here it's 2. So 3 minus 5, it will become minus 2 again, negative. So it's not possible to start from the second station. So increase start to 3, and current fuel will again make it 0. Right? Now I will come here. We'll start from this. We start from this. So 4 will be added, and cost is 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. Fuel is, so it means that we can go to the next station. It's positive, means we go to the next station. Next station, how much gas will be added? 5 will be added, and how much will be spent? Minus 2. So this will be 6, which is also positive. Right? So if you see our start, we have traversed the entire array, and our start was 3. So it's possible from this 3 station to start. If we start from this 3 station, we can go, and our fuel will be, current fuel will not be negative. So it is possible from this. Right? So you might be thinking that why we are not again going and checking from this. Because see, first of all, we checked earlier that if the fuel was greater than, if the total sum fuel was greater than the cost, then there is a path, and we found the path, and there is a unique answer, guaranteed to be a unique answer. Right? And already we have checked that we can go from this path. We already checked that. Right? So I hope you understood what we did over here. Let's see the code once. So what we are doing is, we have taken 2 variables, total fuel and total cost. We are finding total fuel, total cost, and if total fuel is less than total cost, return minus 1. We have discussed this. After that, we have taken variables, current, which is your current fuel, and the start. So what we are doing is, every time we are adding gas I minus cost I in our current fuel. This is our current fuel, and current fuel becomes negative. Don't start from that station, start from the next station, because you cannot start from there. Otherwise, and current, if you are starting again, so current fuel will be, in the starting current fuel will be 0, so set it to 0. And at last, your start will have the start index. I hope you understood the approach and the problem. Very easy problem. Time complexity will be O of n, and space will be O of 1, as we did not use any extra data section. So I hope you understood the problem and the approach. If you found the video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.